This is a quick video about mixed drawers. Let's just get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter what we pick here. We're changing it up anyway. Actually, let me back up. Get rid of those. Start with 1. And we're going to copy it down, so we can just leave it. So we don't have to enter this multiple times. We'll just copy it down once I get this one set up, which won't take long. So walnut fronts, box material, drawer box material, all good. Joinery, we're just doing butt joints on this one to keep it fast and easy. Fronts, these will be mixed. And in this case, this one we're doing ISIS, and I will explain that in a minute. Bloom, standard, no, none of that. Very simple. No edge bending. Interiors, we want to just keep this all clear, and it looks like it is. There's no shelves, there's no adjustable shelves. None of that, no line bore, so that's all good. So here's our starting point. So we're just going to copy that down for 5 in total. And you see that this is sequential, it just automatically does that, but so does this if we just hit the info button, so we don't have to go through those one at a time. We can plug in whatever we want and it will be numbered automatically. And we can check all these boxes with this master checkbox here. So they're all the same size, but I am going to do this one at 42, the first one high, and the last one at 42 high. This is all staying the same, and the fronts will be different though. So this one, let's go IIS. Oops, wrong one. This one, ISIS. This one, SIS. And this last one, IIIS. I'll just show you what that means. So just do a quick save, generate. Generate the parts in BricsCAD. There they are. Wrong. There's something wrong. What's wrong? Let's find out. We've got mixed here. We've got one level. It's pretty clear. That should work. One level. 42. Ah, this was hidden. This is bad. So I'm going to get rid of that. There's none of that. This is the drawer front height adjustment. We do not want that right now. So I'm getting rid of that. And we're going to start from scratch here. So if you right click up here, you can go fill down from row 1. So because we've corrected row 1, now they're all correct. But also they're all the same. Or are they? Let's just do a test here. Actually, I'm just going to get rid of all of these one by one, so we're sure. Oops. And last one. There we go. Try it again. There, that's better. Okay, so let's just have a look and see what I meant with that. Those codes that I plugged in. If I just get rid of the fronts, now you can see a little better. I am going to just change the visual style to modeling so you can not be distracted by all the X-ray lines of the cabinets, the see-through lines. Okay, so the first cabinet is right here. I said it, IS. So what does that mean? I means inner, S means standard. So we have one inner drawer and a standard drawer. Inner drawer, standard drawer. And if you look at the drawer fronts, there's two. So the idea is that each standard drawer has its own drawer front. And if there's an I in there, an inner drawer, that hides behind the standard drawer front automatically. So if you say IS, you will get one inner drawer and one standard drawer in a single cabinet. And so you can see that here. There's IIS, so we have two inner drawers and one standard drawer. And there's the fronts. So with one standard drawer, that means a single S. And the next one, the one in the middle, what did we do? IS. So we have three drawer fronts. And this is not very practical because, remember, we have to attach the drawer front to this little drawer. It's really too skinny. So over time, if you're pulling on a handle right here, it will possibly detach from the drawer. So we really want a taller drawer box right there. Next one, moving over, we've got SIS. This one's a little more sturdy. So the standard drawer at the top takes up the full drawer front because there's no I in front of it. There's no IS, it's just S. And like a lot of things in CabSlam, the first number means the top of the cabinet. So in this case, IS, the first digit, ISIS, means inner standard, and in this particular drawer is standard, inner standard. And then right at the end, it's a little taller, you can get away with a little more. So we've got, again, single drawer front, it's huge, 40 inches high, and you pull that out and you have three inner drawers above it. So who knows where that could be used? Maybe a jewelry store, where they have a single pull-out with the overstock below. They pull that out, and then they have examples of their products in these smaller drawers. Although I would think that you would want those accessible without having to pull open a big drawer. But who knows? That is it. Mixed drawers. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.